Okay, this is what I put up with every day while I'm trying to work. There is an insane cat behind me, just waiting to pounce on me. As I sit here and do my editing, you can see this is where I do my editing for my videos. And as I sit here and work, right behind me on the ledge her little ledge there outside the cat door, right below where my camera setup is Maisie, waiting to attack me every chance she gets. If I don't play with her for 15 minutes, she thinks she's being neglected. So if you wonder what kind of trials and tribulations I have to go through every day to make my videos, this is one of them. Why are you biting me? I'm just trying to pet you. Is this the thanks I get from rescuing you from the street? Huh? Is this the thanks I get? Is this just that you're ungrateful? Ow, you're hurting me. Ow, you're hurting me. She said, I'm trying to get to the marrow. Stop it. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy.